Hi,
Hello,
how are you?
I am good. Thanks for asking. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much. What's your name?
My name is Sahiba
Sahiba.
and I am from India.
India. Wonderful. Well, it's so
Yes,
nice to meet you, Sahiba. I'm
nice to
Maya.
meet you too.
Yeah,
Okay, and
wonderful.
where are you from?
I'm originally from Uruguay in South America, but
Mm-hmm.
I, the last 5 years I was living in Washington, D.C. in the United States. And I
Oh,
grew up.
wow. This is a famous place.
Yeah, it's a very beautiful place. I went to
Yeah, so
university there. Mhm.
so why are you living in um,
Uruguay.
Washington, D.C.?
Oh, in Washington, D.C.? I was studying. I was a student. I was in university over there. So I went to study
Oh,
university for 4 years. And
mm-hmm.
and yeah, so I was in DC, in Washington, DC for a long time. But now I'm back home, which is Uruguay. But I came back recently. So yeah. How about
Okay,
you?
so
Yeah.
yes,
Are you a student?
yes, I am student.
Wonderful. That's great.
I am studying in the 12th grade.
What are you studying?
I'm studying in 12th grade. 12th.
Oh, in 12th grade. Nice.
Yes.
Great. So you're in your last year of high
Yeah.
school.
Yes.
Are you excited to finish?
Yes, I'm excited for college.
Oh, yeah. I can imagine.
Yes.
That's so
Yeah.
nice. College is so much fun. I loved it. It's a lot of hard work, but it's also a lot of fun. Yeah.
So, so can you tell me about for
Yeah, of
college life?
course. Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
I would
Okay.
love. College is wonderful. I mean, obviously, are you going to college in India or are you going to go somewhere else? Do you know?
Yes, I. Sorry, speak again.
Yeah, of course. I was wondering, for college, are you going to study in India or are you going to go to university somewhere
Outside,
else?
I mean, abroad.
Ah,
Yeah.
nice.
You can tell
Nice.
me about college.
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
So my experience was, so as you know, I went to university in the United States, and
Yeah.
it was it was so wonderful, to be honest. I think it was one of my best years of my life so far. Yeah,
Oh,
and yeah, it was a lot of studying, but you meet wonderful people and
yeah.
you get to meet wonderful new friends and you get to study what you love. I mean, I hope that whatever you study is something that you really, really like, because
Okay.
that's going to make the experience worth it. It's going to make the experience a good one if what you study is what you enjoy. So,
Yeah.
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 Do you know what you want to study or are you not sure yet?
Sorry?
Do you know what you want to study?
Yes, I actually I want I want to become an Islamic scholar. Yes.
Wonderful.
So I'm studying in college related to Islam.
Okay, nice.
Yes. So there is Indian peoples in your university?
Yes, actually, yeah. There was a pretty big Indian population at my university.
Oh,
I yeah, I went to the University of Maryland is called.
mm-hmm,
Um, it's a it's a very good. It's one of the best public universities in the United States.
mm-hmm.
Um, And yeah, it was beautiful because there were so many international students. And
Yeah,
I
very
loved that.
intelligent.
Yeah, it was lovely to get to meet people from all around the world.
Mm-hmm.
That's nice.
So, what's your subjects in university?
Yeah.
What
So,
was?
yeah, my degree.
Yeah.
So I studied theater at university.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm part of the art world.
Yeah.
I like performing arts, so things like acting is my main thing. So I like to
Mm-hmm.
act and perform. And so yeah, so I studied theater for 4 years. But at university, you also learn many, many different things, right?
Yeah.
Um, yeah, so, but my focus, yeah, was theater making and acting.
Oh,
So that was the main thing. Yeah. So it was
okay,
nice.
nice. Mm-hmm.
So we'll see. But yeah, do you know where you would like to go for university? What country?
United States.
Ah, okay. Wonderful.
Yes. Yeah. So,
So exciting.
so what do you want in future? What do you want to become in future?
Well, I would love, my dream is to become a professional, successful actor.
Oh,
And yeah, so I would love
wow.
to, I want to do lots of films and lots of stage plays, so theater.
Yeah.
And yeah, and I hope also to eventually create
Mm-hmm.
my own work. So
Yeah.
writing or something. I love the idea of creating my own work. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah, I have lots of dreams like that. What about you? What are some of your dreams in life?
Yeah. Uh, one of scholar and second dream is mm, rich. Rich.
Yeah. Yeah. That's
Just
wonderful.
in these days I read a book. The book name is Think and Grow Rich.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Yes.
What did you learn from the book?
Actually, I don't understand so much English, uh, but sometimes I read. Mm, I read Desire chapter lesson name Desire.
Okay.
Yes.
Wonderful. Yeah.
Yeah.
And what is the name of the book?
Think and Grow Rich.
Okay. Got it.
I can write. May I?
Yeah, write it down. That would be nice.
Okay. Okay.
I love to read, so wonderful. Think and grow rich. Nice.
Yes.
And tell me, what is it about being rich that you want, that you like? Is it the
Money.
freedom that comes from it? Is it having money to be able to do whatever you want? Or what is it about money that you enjoy?
Mm, visit.
Visit,
Yes.
travel?
Yes, traveling. Do you like traveling?
Oh, I love to travel. Yeah,
Oh, wow.
absolutely. Yeah, I love to travel. Yeah, I hope I get to travel more in the future. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, and you're right. I mean, you need money to travel. So yeah, definitely,
Yes.
of course, it's definitely a goal is to be able to
Yes.
afford to travel and to visit friends and family. So
Yeah.
yeah.
So time is over. Nice to meet you.
Nice Nice to
See you
meet you
again.
too.